Hello and welcome back to Free Spirit Yoga. I'm Sally and today is day 9 of the Samaritans 30-day yoga challenge. In today's session we're going to be coming back to looking at moving with our breath. It's going to be a yoga flow session. Now, in yoga it's really important that throughout our asana practice we focus on our breath, that we move with our breath. In Sanskrit, the word Prana means breath and also vital energy, our life force. And there's a good reason why they have the same word for both. So when we coordinate our breath with the movement of our body, we are coordinating our vital life force, our energy, with the movement of our body. We're coordinating our body and mind. We're bringing ourselves truly into the present moment and experiencing what is happening right now. It keeps our mind from wandering, keeps our mind focused. Okay, so let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so, and if you like this video, if you enjoy it, please hit the like button, and also please follow the links below to donate to the Samaritans. We're going to begin today's session in a seated position. So as always, if you would prefer to sit on a cushion or a folded blanket, then please do so, and if you are more comfortable with sitting with your legs straight out in front of you rather than in a cross-leg position, that's also fine. We're going to begin by just lifting our chest up towards the ceiling and dropping our shoulders back. We're going to close our eyes and draw our focus, our attention to our breath. Beginning by not trying to control your breath, just noticing your breath. For our pranayama practice today, we're going to practice a spinal breath. For a spinal breath, we're going to exhale, round our back, tuck our chin down to our chest and slide our hands back down our thighs. Then as we inhale, we're going to slide our hands forward again, push our chest forwards and look up to the ceiling. So exhale, rounding the back, sliding the hands back, tucking the chin. Inhaling, sliding the hands forwards, pushing the chest forwards and up, looking up to the ceiling. Moving with the breath, coordinating the length of the movement with the breath. Remembering still when we're making this movement, we're still bringing our tummy out, letting our tummy come out as we inhale and drawing our belly in as we exhale, as we round our back. back to our starting position, placing your hands on your knees, keeping your eyes closed. We're going to make circular motions with our upper body, trying to move with our breath. Inhaling as we bring the chest forwards, over and around the knees. Exhaling as we round the back and come back. Just moving slowly, coordinating your movement with your breath, loosening off your body. And then circling back the other way. Okay, and coming back to a central position now. We're going to inhale, open our arms wide, pushing the chest forwards, looking up to the ceiling. Now we're going to exhale, we're going to twist to the left, bringing the right hand onto the left thigh, the left hand onto the floor behind us, turning our head to look over our left shoulder. We're going to inhale. Turn back to the front again, opening the body wide, looking up to the ceiling, and then exhaling, twisting to the right, bringing the left hand onto the right thigh, the right hand onto the floor behind us, turning to look behind the right shoulder. And again, inhaling to the front, opening wide. Exhaling to the left, inhaling to the front, opening wide, and exhaling to the right. And now inhaling back to the front. We're going to practice a seated side stretch again, moving with the breath. We're going to place the left hand on the floor beside us. I'm going to inhale, reach the right arm up and over to the left side. Exhale down now to the other side, right hand on the floor. Inhale, reach the left arm out to the right side. Exhale down, inhale, and exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now coming on to all fours on your mat. We're going to practice a few rounds of cat-cow. So remember, hands directly underneath your shoulders, spread the fingers on your hands, knees directly underneath your hips. Exhale to the cat, stretch, arching your back, looking underneath your belly. Inhale to the cow, stretch, dipping your belly, looking up to the ceiling. Exhaling to the cat. Inhaling to the cow. Just keep on moving with your breath, trying to coordinate the length of the movement with your breath. Okay, now coming back to tabletop position. We're now going to tuck our toes under, and we're going to exhale, push our bottom up and back into downwards facing dog. Remember that we're pushing our bottom backwards, and as we push it up, at the same time we're pushing our heels down to the floor. It doesn't matter if they actually touch the floor, but we're pulling them down to the floor as we push our bottom up. We're looking between our arms up towards our belly button. Take a few deep breaths in downwards facing dog. And now slowly walk your hands up towards your feet to come into the forward fold position. Remember, bend your knees as much as you need to be able to bring your tummy down towards your thighs, and let your head hang, your neck relax. Now we're going to inhale as we come up, reaching up. Now keep on reaching your fingertips for the ceiling, but bring them at about 60 degrees or around there in front of you, keeping your eyes on the space between your hands. Your hands should be about shoulder distance apart. Exhale, bend your knees into the chair pose. And from chair pose, fold forward as you exhale into the forward fold. Remember, bend those knees as much as you need to. Just let your head hang, your neck relax. Inhale, now reach up, look up. Now keeping your fingertips reached for the ceiling, reaching right up. We're going to exhale, step our right foot forward, bending the right knee, bringing the left heel up off the floor. This is a high lunge, looking up towards your hand. Breathe steadily. Now step your left foot forwards to join your right. Step your right foot back as you exhale, bending your left knee at the front. Keep reaching your fingertips for the ceiling, looking up towards your hands. Your right heel is up off the floor. Breathing steadily. Inhale, bring your right foot back up to join your left. And then exhale into the forward fold. Walk your feet back into downwards facing dog as you exhale. Now from down dog, exhale and lower your knees to the mat. We're back into tabletop position. A few more rounds of cat-cow. Exhale into cat. Inhale into cow. Exhale. Inhale, just moving at your own pace with your breath. And now we're going to come down to lay on our backs on the mat. We're coming towards Savasana. We're just going to practice one more pose before we do so. pose is called Windscreen Wiper because it looks a bit like the windscreen wipers on your car, the way that your legs are moving backwards and forwards. We're going to lay on our back with our arms out to the side with our palms facing down into the floor. We're going to have our knees bent, our feet flat on the floor, and we're going to exhale, lower both knees to the floor or towards the floor on the left side, and we're going to turn our head to look at our right hand. We're now going to inhale back our knees to the centre and exhale both knees to the floor on the right side, turning our head to look at our left hand. Inhale your knees back to the centre, exhale to the left, head to the right. Just keep on moving backwards and forwards with your breath. Trying to coordinate the length of the movement with the length of the breath. Okay, when you've done an equal number to both sides, we're going to bring our knees back to the centre and come into Savasana now. So remember, we're going to have our legs straight, our feet slightly apart, about the width of the mat, our arms slightly out away from the side of our body with our palms facing up, and relax now. We're going to close our eyes and completely let go. Relax all of our muscles. Okay, bringing your legs together, bending your knees, rolling slowly over onto one side, before slowly and gently pushing yourself up to a seated position. Okay, thank you very much for joining me for day 8. I'm forgetting which day we're on. Okay, in fact, no, we're not. We're on day 9. Thank you very much for joining me for day 9. Join me again tomorrow for another core strength and flexibility session. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and please can you go and donate money to the Samaritans following the links below. Have a good day, see you tomorrow.